Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be happy and may all might keep you and continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today video is very amazing. So viewers, I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crop top. Before starting the video, I request to all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. All designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you by today all new designs, and to channel first time you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, today video is very helpful and useful, and guys, I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. You want to watch any videos fashion related, visit my channel, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember, and bye.